The answer is yes.
Oh, that's correct.
Yeah. He's a flower and a shower.
That's right.
There he is, dude. What's up?
Changing tires.
I heard you won the race last night.
You can win and you cannot win. I'm all about the hearts of the people, and I think we got those.
Yes, you did. Look at this thing, dude. That is out of control. That is out of control. Amazing. Wow. Hey, y'all got any Ignite Red?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I buy some?
Yeah, it's $14.79.99 plus tax.
Yeah.
Handle and delivery fees.
All right.
You got a jug?
I
Maybe
don't.
just like 5 gallons or
I
something.
just need 5 gallons.
Yeah, bring a jug over.
I will.
Girl. You stay.
Stay.
Right where you is.
Trying. I know.
Just bring your jug over. I'll find
Okay.
it out.
Thanks, dude. So sick, dude. So sick.
That one's steering sucks.
Absolutely no idea what I'm looking at, but I love it. It has 4 EcoBoost turbos just randomly placed. Awesome. Need to get it up next to Ruby. That's so cool. That's so cool.
Dude. Thank you. This is rad, man.
What's up, bro?
It's good to see you. Oh.
Good to
Coming
see
in.
you.
Oh.
Oh.
There we go. This is awesome, man.
A little Statue of Boogity.
Yeah. Ready to do some burnouts.
Yes, sir.
I love the intake manifold. Exhaust. It's got a sound to it.
It sounds pretty good. A little X-pipe action.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Sweet.
I always want to start it up.
Fire it up.
Fire it up! Ooh. Ooh.
Alright, we got Adrian's car. This thing looks great, bro. I love the intake manifold, the radiator, the American flag. We got a little spray. Oh, that's sick. Dang.
built this.
can't wait.
I built this car in a month.
That's pretty awesome. That's a really good job.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
It's a blast.
Not a lot of sleep.
Yeah.
Not a lot of sleep.
Not a lot of sleep.
That real well.
It weighs 2580 without me in it. It's like 27 something with me in it.
That's great.
So
Great weight.
it's a convertible.
Oh yeah. I can't wait to see you run today.
Me too, dude. I'm so excited. Last time I saw this, it had a small block Chevy in it.
It had a little 327 small block Chevy with the double hump heads and the wrap in the zoomies. And unfortunately, I bloated did that one to pieces. So what we did, is that mine?
What had happened was, I like your velocity stag, dude.
The velocity stack in there. So what happened was I spent the last week in the driveway putting an LS in this thing.
Yeah, I've been watching. You remember how I was like a week and a half out from doing a TV show and I still didn't have a motor in the car?
That was me for Cleetus and Cars.
Yeah. I didn't want to comment on your Facebook and be like, oh.
But look, she's zip tied together. It's just barely hanging on.
Hey, she's here, right?
It's the first startup on the Holly. This is the farthest I've driven it down the street. So
Hey.
it'll spin the tires though. I did a burnout in the driveway.
Perfect.
So,
Dude,
I just
this
came
thing-
over here because I wanted to get one picture of our
Yes,
cars together.
yes.
You know-
Let the dogs out. There he is.
Two pieces of 316 steel, welded them together, and zip tied around it.
It's beautiful.
I can't have him slowing me down, dude.
No way, dude.
About it, because I was looking over there, I'm like, oh, I gotta show him my setup.
Yes, dude. It's beautiful.
Sketchy on the street, though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can't imagine that.
Dude, I'm fired up, man.
Me too, dude.
It's gonna be fun.
Ready to go make some
Yeah,
smoke.
what was it-
How you feeling back there? It's trim? Is that how you say it?
It's trim right now.
Trim? Nice to meet you, Trim. Guess what? I'm gonna let you take a little off the top too. She knows what she's doing.
Yeah, I
It's
know
not
what
the-
I'm doing.
It's not the first mullet she's tuned up, dude.
You guys need a haircut?
Free mullets!
She's really good now.
I'm a pro now. I think you have a mullet.
Thank you.
Adrian, you've never looked better.
Third down.
How does the top look?
Yes.
Yeah.
The answer is
Yes.
yes. Oh.
That's correct.
Yeah. He's a flower and a shower.
Hold on.
You gonna cut some more? Go for it.
Well, she wants to give you bangs, I think.
Thanks.
She's gonna make things even. Oh, there's the turbo. Yeah, I'll say. We put race fuel in the generator.
Okay.
And after that, he
Not
had
the mullet.
Yep, that was the accurate move. You've done this. Even if you haven't, you've done it before.
I have now.
You have now.
You're doing great. Like this
You know that she's now qualified in the state of Florida by the, what do they call it? A beautician's?
Yeah, State Board of Beauty.
Cosmetology
Yeah,
license.
cosmetology. Turbo mode.
You're telling me I'm gonna look that sick?
He's angry at
I
something
think
in general. I don't know why he actually called
above the ears.
he looks
Shake it.
fat.
Oh yeah, this feels like a mullet.
Gotta wait till out there. Huh? Gotta wait till we're out there.
How you feeling, brother?
Good. I'm so pumped up right now.
Dude, this is brilliant.
Well, I know it gets better, but it won't get better. Keeps raining in my head, I blame it all on the weather. Wanna drive all night with my headlights off. This next one I wrote's for the radio, so you can hear my voice when you are not at home, like when you're out getting stoned. And I set my smile on a windowsill, keep singing my song like a whippoorwill. In the morning, babe, when the sun comes, I'll be gone. Can you feel that fire burning like acetylene right through my prison wall? Can you feel, Lord, can you feel that fire burning like acetylene right through my prison walls?
For the Possum. Give it up for Adrian, come on. Yeah, you're so close, bro. Hell yeah, dude. Nice work. Need your fires back up. Let's shoot that. Gotta fire back up. It's going right.
What is going on?
This is what rednecks do.
Watch burnouts all night long and then come to the parking lot and do more burnouts.
Hey, we got a couple more contestants, y'all. Move along, come on.
What is happening?
I don't know. Somebody get on the four-wheeler.
Terrified because how many sparks.
Oh god. feel about being that close to rods?
It's sketchy.
Everything about this is
The
sketchy.
dang spark plug wires, everything's
Look,
metal.
you ever seen a flywheel come apart? 'Cause I have. Do you like your toes?
Yeah, feel it. Like it's.
This is crazy. It's pretty awesome though.
I want to see Kevin do something cool with it.
All this
He
room,
will.
why the pedals right here? I mean, they can be all the way back there.
Oh, man.
Wow, dude.
That's incredible. Guys, we're over here at JH Diesel's where I'm letting the trailer hang out. Well, I'm just gonna let this speak for itself. Oh no! We got a dog! Don't hit the dog! Apparently. This is Florida, dude. Welcome to Florida.
Man, this is unreal.
JH is currently on his airboat. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. All right, we're gonna load up the grill and go cook our ribeyes that we didn't cook yesterday. I'm gonna finish this video.
Peace.
Say it again.
Peace.
He just need a little more enthusiasm. So tired I can't talk. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.